so then I take these little snaps right here, and snap it on that little bar at the very bottom right here. Snaps around there. And then these right here snap onto those bars, snap around it. Once I push it up like that, right, it snaps onto it. So here we go. I'm gonna put it on the bar first down there. I got it off, so now I'm gonna push it in the back into the connect to get the connection. Ready? Sometimes it's a little hard when they're brand new, but you can spread them apart a little bit. It's in here. I like and subscribe.